guys, thanks so much for watching. Today I'm going to be making a Halloween treat for my pup Chooby, but before we get started, I do have to light my Pumpkin King candle from the Magic Candle Company. If you guys want to try any of their candles, I do have a 10% off coupon down below for you. But this candle smells so good. Obviously it smells like pumpkin, but it also smells like vanilla cream. So yummy. Now for this, you only need 3 ingredients: pumpkin, coconut oil, and ground ginger, and obviously a saucepan. And I'm just touching all the ingredients to make sure they're still there apparently. I also bought a silicone mold with some spooky designs that I'm really excited to use. It also came with a Christmas one as well. I'll link it down below. I got it on Amazon. So right here, I'm just prepping all the ingredients. You will need 1/3 of a cup of pumpkin puree, 3/4 cup of the coconut oil, and the ground ginger. It says 2 tablespoons in the recipe, but I just kind of sprinkled it around. You'll see. And go ahead and set your oven to low heat. So while the coconut oil is melting and the pumpkin puree is mixing with the coconut oil, go ahead and get your silicone mold and put a little bit of ground ginger at the bottom of every mold. Not gonna lie, I thought this was gonna be a lot more appetizing looking than it was, but like, it's a dog treat, so like, who cares? But yeah, I was using a regular spoon, but I found that the whisk worked a little bit better. So now you're just gonna slowly pour the pumpkin and coconut oil mixture into the mold. I did mess up on this though. I should have had something hard underneath the mold, because when I tried to move it to the freezer, actually, it was really difficult. I ended up getting a lid from a Tupperware, but yeah, definitely do that before you pour your mold. Okay, so that was obviously an exaggeration. It only took about an hour for this stuff to freeze. So now I'm just gonna pop them out of the silicone mold, and of course, the first one I tried to pop out cracked in half, because that's just the kind of luck I have. But the rest of them actually turned out really nice, and I love the silicone mold that I got. It's so cute. I love the bat, the witch's hat, the spiders, the pumpkins. Really, really cute. Treats for you. I worked hard on them. Go eat them. And did I put my dog treats on a decorative piece? Yes, I did, and it looks fantastic. Thank you.
so gross.
Maybe your dog will like them. Chooby! So I probably should have put a disclaimer out there, but Chooby is not a picky eater, but a very cautious eater, you know? If he doesn't like the sniff of it, he'll taste it, he'll spit it out, he'll taste it, he'll spit it out. He ended up enjoying these at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye!